Quality assurance, QA, in information technology (IT), is a vital process that ensures the delivery of high-quality software and services. It involves various activities that focus on detecting and preventing defects, while also enhancing overall system performance. One crucial aspect of QA in IT is testing. A wide range of testing techniques such as functional testing, regression testing, and performance testing are employed to identify any issues or errors in the software. This helps in maintaining the reliability and functional correctness of the system. Another important element of QA in IT is the establishment of quality standards and procedures. These standards outline the best practices and guidelines that need to be followed during the development and deployment of software. Regular audits and reviews are conducted to ensure compliance with these standards, leading to improved efficiency and consistency in delivering high-quality products. Moreover, risk assessment and management is an integral part of QA in IT. Identifying potential risks and implementing mitigation measures early in the development lifecycle helps in avoiding costly errors and delays. It also ensures that the final product meets the requirements and expectations of the end users. In conclusion, quality assurance in IT plays a significant role in delivering reliable and defect-free software. By implementing rigorous testing, setting quality standards, and managing risks, organizations can ensure the production of high-quality IT products and services, resulting in improved customer satisfaction and long-term success.